Hello friends, and again welcome back to my channel. So friends, here in my channel I bring a new website for you that's named 778trx.com. So friends, I will give you the totally new about this website. How can you deposit your money, how can you withdraw your money. So first of all, if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the notification about my new coming video and comment on the comment section. So friends, when you get the registration link of this website from my description, you can get invitation code here. Then you can paste your mobile number, login password, security password, and click on the sign up button to register in this website. So friend, as you can see, we will successfully sign up in this website, and you can see here the latest announcement and some common problems. Here the Tron official mining website link. You can read all about it here and close this. Here you can get the 5,000 reward in this website. That is your total balance. Here the deposit, withdrawal, VIP, team, app, and about us option. Click on the deposit button. As you can see here, investment is divided into two modes. Recharge into the basic account and receive income according to Sri Lanka time zone every day. Recharge into the promotion account. You can receive income according to different cycles. Return the principal and income upon maturity. View notes before investing. Please choose a basic account and promotion account to invest according to your investment need. Please be sure to wait for the account to be recharged. This is a critical issue. So click on the transfer to basic account. You can copy this link and go to your own wallet. Click on the send button. You can paste here and 10 TRX continue from here. As you can see, whenever 10 TRX is depositing from here, then I tell you how can you withdraw your money. So friend, as you can see here, our 10 TRX is depositing from here. So come back to our website and click on the recharge completed button. As you can see, our deposit is successful. So friends, here the about us, click on the about us button and you can read agent instruction about it. So here the two account, wallet account and promotion account. In wallet account, you can read you can see all the money that present in your website, and in promotion account, when your friend join to this website from your referral link, you can get rewarded money in your promotion account. Join to be a Tron millionaire. Use cloud mining and DFI technology to ensure that users get the most TRX in you. Click on the details button and get all information about it. Here the accumulated profit and membership you can read about here. About us, we are at our best. Cloud mining offered a potentially cost-effective way of mining for Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies. At the same time, both quantitative trading and AFI technology will allow you to easily participate in the blockchain transaction with a small amount of funds and obtain stable income like insurance. Here are some global partners of this website, in which Wazirex, Coinbase, Fox, Bitmain, Binance, and Huobi are included. Now we are going to trading, and you can see up here how much profit we can get daily. We can get plus 8% daily profit. Click view all button to get all information about it. Now we are going to invest. When you can invest in this website, here the product list is Chalice and investor list. When you can get invest in this website, deposit and withdraw your money, you can get all the list here. Now we are going to share. You can copy this link and send to your family and friend. When your family and friend join to this website from your referral link, you can get rewarded money in promotion account. So now we are going to mine. Here you can see recharge any number of TRX to activate the account and open the withdrawal functions. So here the team, profit list, transfer to basic, change password, change security password, share VIP level, notification app and logout. Click on the team button. As you can see here, the level 1, 2, 3 account, recharge, withdraw and profit. You can get all the list here when you can come, because you can get commission in this website when you can invest in this website according to your investment need. You can get 10% commission level 1, you can get 7% commission level 2, and you can get 3% commission level 3. You can get recharge list, withdrawal list, profit list here, and account names here. So now I am telling you how can you withdraw your money, because you can see our deposit is successful. So now click on the withdrawal button. As you can see, you can paste your Tron address here and your security password here and click on the confirm button. As you can see, our withdrawal is successful. So friend, as you can see, our withdrawal is successful. So I will give the total info about this website. How can you deposit your money, how can you withdraw your money. As you can see, so friends, join this website and earn your money more and more. We will meet in a new video. So take care of yourself. Bye bye.